Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to place a bid on eBay. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and use the searching bar at the top of the screen to search for the item you're interested in. For example, I want to purchase headphones. And once you have chosen the listing you're interested in, simply tap on the product to view the details of this item. If this item is auctioned, you will see the current bid amount. In my case, for these headphones, it is $24, and the auction end time. So my auction ends in 9 days and 22 hours. So you want to press place bid button, and here eBay asks you to enter your maximum bid. So this will be the highest amount you're willing to pay for the item. For example, it's $24, and then press review bid button. Here you will see all the details of this auction, and here you can, in this section, you can review the shipping cost of your product, because not only the price of the product, but also you have to pay for shipping. So for my international shipping, I would have to pay $32, so please pay attention to that also. And when you are ready, when you have checked all the details, you want to press confirm bid to confirm your bid, to save your bid. And you can track your bid and watch the auction details until this auction will end. And in the case if someone else outbids you, you will receive a notifications, and you can choose to place even a higher bid if you want to, of course. And if you win the auction, eBay will notify you, and you will be directed to complete the payment. So that's how you can place a bid on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.